Wildfires have always been part of California's natural landscape, but recent years have seen them grow fiercer and deadlier. As firestorms engulf communities, lives are changed forever. In this documentary, we'll uncover the reasons behind these escalating disasters, focusing on the Los Angeles wildfires. With estimated losses soaring to $4.2 billion, insurance claims topping $31,000, and homeowners struggling for compensation, the crisis is immense. Today, we explore the causes, destruction, and the challenging recovery process. The Los Angeles wildfires are not just natural disasters, they are economic catastrophes that leave scars for generations. Join us as we delve deep into the flames, examining what went wrong, how we fight back, and what the future holds. Welcome to Burning Billions, the Los Angeles wildfires and the aftermath. California's wildfire history is long and destructive. The Los Angeles area, with its dry climate and rapid urbanization, has become increasingly prone to wildfires. From the 1933 Griffith Park fire that killed 29 people to the more recent Woolsey fire of 2018, which scorched nearly 100,000 acres and destroyed over 1,600 structures, the pattern is undeniable. Climate change, human expansion, and insufficient preventive measures have all contributed to a dangerous cycle. Experts warn that what was once a seasonal problem has now become a year-round threat. Communities rebuild, but the cycle continues. With each passing decade, the fires grow larger, hotter, and deadlier. As Los Angeles expands, so too does its vulnerability. How did we get here? And is there a way to break the cycle? The answers lie in understanding the region's troubled past with wildfires. Environmental factors have significantly worsened California's wildfire crisis. The state's dry climate and prolonged droughts create the perfect conditions for wildfires to ignite and spread. Vegetation becomes brittle and highly flammable, especially during the peak of the dry season. Climate change is a major driver, contributing to warmer temperatures and reduced rainfall. As global temperatures rise, so too does the frequency of these catastrophic fires. Human activities compound the problem. Urban sprawl has led to homes and businesses being built in areas once considered too dangerous due to fire risk. Forests that were once left undisturbed are now increasingly encroached upon, providing more opportunities for disaster. Additionally, outdated fire prevention measures and insufficient funding have left many communities vulnerable. As we will see, these factors make the Los Angeles area a powder keg ready to ignite with the slightest spark. Before disaster strikes, insurance companies operate under intense pressure to cover high-risk areas like Los Angeles. The California FAIR Plan serves as a last resort insurance option for those who can't find coverage elsewhere. As wildfires become more frequent and intense, insurers have started raising premiums or even refusing to cover properties in high-risk zones. The process of securing insurance becomes a stressful ordeal for homeowners already living on the edge of disaster. Policies often come with high deductibles, limited coverage, and numerous exclusions. Many residents rely on the FAIR Plan as their only viable option, but even that has its limitations. Meanwhile, insurance companies are forced to assess their financial stability against mounting claims. With billions of dollars on the line, the insurance landscape is fragile, and any catastrophic event can push it to the breaking point. Understanding this complexity is crucial to grasp the aftermath of a major wildfire. When the fire erupts, chaos follows. Flames spread rapidly due to strong Santa Ana winds, scorching everything in their path. The dry landscape acts as fuel, turning entire neighborhoods into infernos within minutes. First responders rush to contain the blaze, but the sheer scale makes it a daunting task. Helicopters drop water, fire engines roar through blocked streets, and emergency alerts flood residents' phones. Families are forced to make split-second decisions: stay and defend their homes or evacuate immediately. Panic, confusion, and fear dominate the air. As darkness falls, the glow of fire illuminates the sky, a haunting reminder of nature's fury. Rescue teams work tirelessly, but containment efforts are hampered by unpredictable wind shifts. By dawn, entire blocks are reduced to ash, and the true extent of the devastation begins to reveal itself. This is not just a fire, it's a disaster of unprecedented magnitude. Amid the chaos, stories of heroism emerge. Firefighters risk their lives, battling flames from the ground and air. Volunteers mobilize to provide shelter, food, and water to evacuees. Social media becomes a tool for locating missing loved ones and organizing rescue efforts. News channels broadcast live updates, showing families clutching precious belongings as they flee. But there are also stories of loss. Homes reduced to rubble, cherished memories turned to ashes. Hospitals work around the clock to treat burn victims and those suffering from smoke inhalation. Emotional reunions bring moments of hope, but the air is thick with grief. The community rallies together, proving that resilience can thrive even in the darkest hours. Courage and compassion shine brightest against the backdrop of disaster. This collective strength becomes a beacon of hope for those struggling to find safety. Despite the destruction, the community's spirit remains unbroken. Efforts to rebuild gain momentum as families move into new homes and businesses reopen their doors. The landscape begins to heal, with greenery emerging from the blackened soil. Schools resume classes, churches and community centres rebuild, and life slowly returns to a semblance of normalcy. Commemorations are held each year to remember the lives lost and celebrate the resilience of those who survived. What once seemed like an insurmountable tragedy becomes a testament to the community's strength and unity. Innovations in fire prevention and response continue to evolve, driven by the lessons learned from the disaster. Local artists and writers document the fire's impact, preserving stories of heroism and heartbreak for future generations. Though scars remain, they serve as reminders of both the tragedy endured and the incredible resilience displayed. The fire may have ended, but the community's spirit continues to burn bright. As the documentary concludes, the screen fades to black before credits roll over powerful visuals of nature's resilience. Trees swaying gently in the wind, animals reclaiming their habitats, and newly constructed homes standing strong against the elements. A serene melody plays, reflecting hope and perseverance. The credits list all contributors, researchers, interviewees, firefighters, community leaders, scientists, volunteers, and families who shared their stories. The final message appears in bold text. Thank you for watching. Together we can rebuild stronger. The screen fades to black, leaving viewers with a renewed sense of purpose and hope.